Hello children, today we'll be learn about homes of animals. So let's start. Lion. Den. A lion lives in a den. Tiger. Cave. A tiger lives in a cave. Elephant. Forest. An elephant lives in forest. Dog. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Bird. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Horse. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Cow. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Rat. Hole. A rat lives in a hole. Bee. Beehive. A bee lives in a beehive. Monkey. Tree. A monkey lives on the tree. Pig. Stay. A pig lives in the stay. Spider. Web. A spider lives in a web. Duck. Water. A duck lives in water. Sheep. Fold. A sheep lives in the fold. Camel. Desert. A camel lives in the desert. Cat. Cat tree. A cat lives in a cat tree. Ant. Anthill. An ant lives in anthill. Hen. Coop. A hen lives in the coop. Fish. Aquarium. A fish lives in an aquarium. Penguin. Iceberg. A penguin lives on iceberg. Rabbit. Burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow.